Hello and welcome. I'm at the CMT trade fair for motorhomes and campervans and caravans and destinations held in January every year in Stuttgart. So I'm going to show you this Malibu campervan 640 LE RB GT Skyview. It says first class, 2 rooms, 636 centimeters in length. It's on a Fiat Ducato and the price will be, I've forgotten, how much is the price? Can't remember, and it's not written there. Can you add a minute of it? Right, it's about 80,000 anyway. Right, so up there we've got, what's it show? Skyview. Nice lot of light coming in from the Skyview. Sorry, I say 80,000. This one's going to cost 96,000. Mind you's probably got a lot of extras on it to bring it up there. There you go. There's the starting price, 73,660. They're your extras. Biggest one of which is the upgraded engine, so to 140 horsepower. Anyway, good. Right. What's got at the rear is this big German layout with a very clever bit down here. You've got your wardrobe down there. There's your wardrobe, and we can see all the stuff. I'll lift this up, gives you an idea of what else there is. With any camper van, of course, the mattresses will come up and you can use the space for something else as well. It just says it's got this clever 2-room concept. This, or rather dressing room concept. This thing catches on there like that. This thing comes open. This introduced around, I think it was before COVID, actually 2019. So hopefully they've got it to work. The toilet is down there. Toilet swings out. A friend of mine got one of these. I said there's absolutely no problem with it swinging out. So anything that moves, I've got my doubts over, such as the wheels. But anything moves is likely to break sooner or later. And I don't really like the idea of the toilet breaking down. Particularly, probably break down when you really need the thing. There's your shower, 2 drainage points. We've got a nice sensible sliding door, fixed sink. We've got storage under it, window. Look, it's quite really airy. I think quite a lot of space in here, but then again that's because the toilet's been hidden, and it's been hidden under this bed, which otherwise I suppose to be using for storing other things. Now if I'm going to close this, open this thing here, I mean put that over like that, and that will go like that. Here we've got some storage. I think it looks quite elegant here, and obviously storage all the way around. Unfortunately, it does come with this daft ledge below it, completely pointless in my opinion. It's just something that gets in the way. I do like the portholes that Carthago's done for many years, although they've got the blinds, just one blind for the 2 portholes at the back. Storage down here as well. It's your wardrobe. Some more storage space for socks and things. Coming into the kitchen, we've got a sink. We've got 2 burners here, and we've got this down there. Nice sized kitchen unit. Here there is the fridge. I'll open this up there, you can see it. Daft ledge there, makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. I'd get rid of that, and rather a nice looking storage around the edge. Let's go at the back before it gets, it gets shut on me. And there you can see lots of room here. Now when this thing here was introduced, I was at the press conference. It was in June of 2019, all those years ago, and Carthago cheekily called this a double floor. Well, this double floor, which isn't a double floor, goes now as a divider, but it is handy to have a divider like this because putting like outdoors tables and chairs and things easily goes under it. Here we have the gas cabinet, and that can take 2 full-size gas cylinders, and I think that should last you for ages. That's a bit stiff. There we have, look at this, I've seen this before. What's that doing in there? Oh, you know what that's there? That is there to stop you kicking the, if you sleep this way around, I put mine out as well on mine. Stop you kicking the door, or the window I should say, or more importantly, more like to kick this thing here. So that's there really to protect that. And yeah, when I got my vehicle, I didn't know what it was for at all. I thought, what's the point of that? But having said that, since having given it a few kicks, I can now see the point. Oh, it doesn't matter, just leave this up there for the moment. Oh, look at that, it's still quoting a double floor. Well, I'll close this. Now, Malibu is a company of Carthago. As you can see, the vehicles themselves are quite exclusive, but at the same time they are a bit on the expensive side. So why would you pay 100,000 euros nearly for a Fiat Ducato campervan when you can get one from, I don't know, Roller Team for half the price? Well, I suppose that's an argument, but I think I prefer one of these to one of Roller Teams. Would I prefer 2 Roller Team ones to one of these? That's a different question, harder to answer. Okay, there you go. Hope you found that interesting. It says first class, 2 rooms, innovative layout, and making this 2-room concept. And so it gives the sort of a dressing room. I think that's what it's meant to be in there. All right, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll take you for a walk now and show you some of the other vehicles that are here, as there's not many people around, and it's relatively possible to have a look at them from the outside. So just going to take you and show you the campervans. The campervan brand is Malibu, and my first ever vehicle, my first ever campervan, my first ever recreational vehicle was a Malibu, except mine was on the Volkswagen T4. So that's what Carthago did at the time. It's 465 centimeters in length, and it had a fixed high roof, and I shall give you a link to it so you can see what it looked like. So there you go. I've just probably seen just about the entire range. They have 7 vehicles in their range, and I think we've just looked at 5 of them from the campervans. So thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. Should you want to see any more motorhomes and campervans, this is the largest selection of campervans and motorhomes on YouTube. So I might have something which interests you, or I might not. I don't know. Bye for now.